عبد الرحمن. Yes, Ziyad.
Yes, Mr. I asked
Yes, Mr.
you yesterday about the question in the homework.
Which one يا ابني بسرعة؟
Wait, I'll open it.
Question يا ابني بسرعة. Hello.
This is okay.
Let me read the question.
Question 7 in page 630.
طيب. The Indian Ocean is 2/10 of the area of the world's oceans. What fraction represents the area of the remaining ocean that make up the world's ocean? Explain and write your answer. Now, the whole world, Yabni, do you see the board?
Yes, I see it.
The whole world ocean, the whole means one. Do you understand? One means
Yes.
the whole, okay?
Yes.
Good. How I will write one? The Indian Ocean is 2 or 8/10, right?
2/10.
2/10, sorry. The Indian Ocean is 2/10, right?
Yes.
And the whole ocean of the whole world is 1, Sheikh.
Yes.
Now, how we write 1 to be down 10, I can write it as 10/10, okay?
Okay.
So this is the whole world ocean, okay?
Yes.
Now we need to know if we subtract the Indian Ocean, how much is still?
8/10.
8/10. Do simplify, divide on 2 up and down. It will
Should
be
be
what?
2.
4/5. Got it?
Yes.
This is the answer.
I asked you because there is only one fraction.
Yeah, the other fraction, it's the whole. The whole in fractions means 1. Means the whole in fractions means 1. Got it?
Yes, okay.
Good boy. Now let's go to lesson 5, guys. Add unlike fractions, page 637. Leave everything, guys, and just focus with me here. It's very important lesson, okay? Please, guys. It's very important lesson. So open your box, page 637, and read your book and just focus with me here. Now, what we did before, guys, we add and subtract what? Like fractions. We add and subtract like fractions. We said to add like fractions like 2/5 plus 1/5, we put 5, we don't add down, and up we add 2 plus 1, 3. Then we simplify our answer. And we did subtract of fractions, of like fractions, like 3/5 minus 1/5, down we put 5, and we subtract 2, then we simplify. This is what we did in the previous lessons. We add and subtract what? Like fractions, means down, the denominators are equal, okay? Now today what we will do, we will add unlike fractions, means the numbers down are what? Are different, okay? Now what we will do, guys, focus with me here. To add unlike fractions, what we will do, guys, the first step, which is very important step, find something we know it before and we did it before, the LCM. Find the least common multiple. We did it before. For what? For the denominators. For the denominators. Okay, guys? So, to add unlike fractions, the first step, we take the denominators and find for them the least common multiple. Now, the second step, what we will do, make the denominators to be the least common multiple. How? By multiply. By multiply. So the first step, we find the least common multiple of the denominators. The second step, we make the denominators to be the least common multiple by multiply. The third step, we add and simplify the answer. Don't forget that the answer always should be in simplest form by using the GCF, which we did also. So the least common multiple and the GCF, we use them always, okay, guys? These are the three main steps of adding unlike fractions. Now, to understand them more, let's take an example now. Example. Add the following two fractions. For example, guys, if I want to add 6 with, if I want to add 1/3 plus 1/4, 1/3 plus 1/4, what I will do, let's revise the steps. Here we have different denominators, not like, focus guys. These are different denominators. So what we will do, the first step, we will find the least common multiple for the denominators. So I will go to the denominators 3 and 4, and I will find the least common multiple of them. Remember, we did that before. The 3, we say 3 by 1 is 3, 3 by 2 6, 9, 12, 15. And we will do for the 4. Once we find the common multiple, we stop. We did that before. Here 4, 8, 12. Stop. So this is the least common multiple for the denominators. I don't care about the numerators. I care about the denominators, which is now 12. This is the least common multiple for the denominators. I did the first step, this one. Now the second step, guys, make the denominators to be the least common multiple by multiply. How I will do that? I will make an arrow like this, look. And I will rewrite the fractions. 1/3 plus same plus 1/4. Here both equal before them. Now, I will ask myself a question. How the 3 becomes 12? How the 3 becomes least common multiple 12? The 3 becomes 12 by multiplying with 4, right? And we multiply up and down by 4. That's why I wrote for you here, make the denominators to be the least common multiple by what? By multiply. So the 3 becomes 12 by multiplying with 4. And if you multiply down, you need to multiply up with the same number. Same with the 4 now. I will ask myself a question. How the 4 becomes 12? By multiplying the 4 with the 3. So here up and down, I'll multiply with the 3. Like this. The next step, we find the multiplications. We put equal like this and find the answers. 1 multiply 4, 4. 3 multiply 4, 12. Plus 1 multiply 3, 3. 4 multiply 3, 12. Now look at the denominators down. 12, 12, and the least common multiple 12. Make the denominators to be what? The least common multiple. I did. Now look at the denominators, they are equal. Now we can add like the previous lesson. We said if we have like denominators, we can add. So this is equal, add up 4 plus 3, 7 over 12 plus 12. No, take one of them only. Now check if this simplest form or no. It is. It is already simplified. So what's the answer of 1/3 plus 1/4? 7/12. This is how we add unlike fractions. Let's take another example. If you don't understand, guys, focus on the second example here. Example 2. Add the following two fractions. For example, if we have 1/5 plus 7/10. Now, to add or subtract the fractions, you always look down. Do we have like or unlike? Here we have unlike. To add unlike fractions, find the least common multiple for the denominators. So I will take the denominators 5 and 10 down, and I will find for them the least common multiple. Now the 5, it is 5, 10, and the 10, it is 10. We stop. So the least common multiple is what? 10. After I find the least common multiple, I will go to my fractions and I will rewrite them. Write them again. Now I will ask myself how the 5 becomes 10 by multiplying with 2. So you multiply up and down here by 2. Now how the 10 becomes 10 by multiplying with 1. And if you multiply by 1, it's still the same. So no need to multiply. It's already least common multiple. Now simplify these two multiplications here. 1 by 2, 2. 5 by 2, 10. And this stays the same. Now what we have here, we have like denominators. We can add. Now we can add. Here we cannot add. Here we can add. So this is equal 2 plus 7, 9/10 plus 10. No, take one of them. Don't forget that. And this is already simplified. This is how we add unlike fractions, guys. Hope you understand them. Let's revise the steps together. To add unlike fractions, find the least common multiple, make the denominators to be least common multiple, add and simplify. Hope you understand it very well, guys. It's an important lesson. Now let's do exercises together. And today and tomorrow, guys, we will still in this lesson. We will stay in this lesson, okay? So today and tomorrow, we will stay in this lesson. We will keep doing exercises about adding unlike fractions. Let's do page 638. Question 1. Ahmed Muhammad.
Mr.
Yes.
Your photo was lagging.
Oh, it's not my problem yet. I cannot do anything. I'm at the school. This is the internet of the school, okay? Do you understand the most important thing? Do you understand, Yabni?
No.
No.
I
طيب,
raise
read the
my
question.
hand to say to you I don't understand.
طيب, يلا. Read the question 1, حبيبي. Read.
What?
Read the question 1.
Okay, Mr. Which page?
Page 638 يا قلبي. Read the question 1.
Okay, 1 second, Mr. I'll bring my book.
يا مستر ريد خلص يلا.
Okay, here it is. Page what again, please?
بعدين.
Okay, 638.
يا ابني ريد خلص.
Here it is.
ليش مش مجهز كتابك من اول انت؟ يا احمد لا نو ويت ليه مو مجهز كتابك من اول؟ ليش؟ جاوبني.
Because I entered late.
خلك من الانترنت يا ابني. You know the title, we know the weekly plan, we know everything, we know what we will take today. Prepare your book before the lesson starts. Is this difficult? We are not kids, يا أحمد. Okay.
Okay.
يلا read question 1.
Add write which sum in simplest form.
يلا نريد what we have.
1/3 plus 1/5.
Yeah, 1/2. يا ابني question 1 here page 638 الله يسعدك. read يا ابني read.
Okay. 2/5 and 1/2.
يلا يا ابني what's the first step? Do you see the board?
Yes.
يلا the first step we find the least common multiple of 5 and 2. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you know how to find the least common multiple?
Yes.
Yeah, high 5, 2, here 5, 10, 2, 6, sorry, 4, 6, 8, 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so what's the least common multiple?
10.
10, ممتاز. Now, I will go to my fractions like this, look, and put equal, and I will take this fraction and put it here, okay? And take the second fraction and put it here, okay?
Okay.
Now, I will ask you a question. How the 5, this 5, do you see the board, Yabni?
Yes.
How the 5 becomes 10?
5 multiply 2.
So I'll multiply up and down here by what?
2
Yeah,
will be
look
4/10.
خلك من will be. خلينا بالمultiply بالأول. Now, how the 2 becomes 10?
2 multiply 5.
Up and down. So I'll multiply up and down by what?
5.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now equal, we find the answers of the multiplications, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 2 by 2.
Equal 4/5 over 10.
Or over 10. And here?
5/10.
Good. Now what we have here, tell me.
4/10 plus 5/10.
What we call them, like or unlike?
Like.
How we add huh?
No.
يا مستر انت ما اخذت اللسن الاول معنا add like fractions?
No.
Okay. To add like fractions, ya Ahmed, look here. Do you see the board?
Yes.
We put a line. We add up 4 plus 5. How much?
4 plus 5 equal 9.
And down, we don't add. We take one number.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So what's the answer? 9 over what?
10.
We put it here. Ahmed.
Yes.
Ahmed. What
Yes.
you will do today, Ahmed?
The homework.
لا يا مستر ما بدنا homework. Today you will watch the videos, okay? You will watch the videos again. We took 2 lessons before. Add like fractions, okay?
Okay.
And add what? Subtract fractions. Sorry, add like a fraction and subtract like a fractions. We took 2 lessons before, okay? There are videos in your Classera. Watch them both, then watch the video of today, okay?
Okay.
Then tomorrow, if you have any questions, you ask me. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
It's important, ya Ahmed. You need to watch the videos.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye. This is question 1, guys, page 638. Muhannad?
Yes, Mister. Question 2.
Do you understand, Yabni?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
Question 2, 3/4 plus 1/8.
Good. Wait.
Okay.
Question 2, 3/4 plus 1/8. Yalla,
Yes.
tell me what we will do.
First thing, we will find the LCM of 4 and 8.
What is the least common multiple? For which two numbers we will find?
It is 8.
Yeah. So I will take the 4 and the 8 and find the least common multiple.
Yes,
Which
it
is
will
what?
8.
8. Mumtaz. This is the least common multiple. Now I will make arrow like this and
Yes,
put equal.
and write the and put equal and write the fraction 3/4.
Let's write the fractions again. What
Then
we will do?
what we will ask ourselves, what we make to let the 4 be 8? It will be multiplied 2. We will make
How the 4 becomes 8?
multiply by 2.
Up and down. But how the 8 becomes 8?
Multiply by 1.
Do we need to multiply by 1?
No.
Leave it. So this is equal. Let's here find. Ahmed, focus with me, ya Ahmed. Yalla, 3 by 2, how much, ya Muhannad?
6.
6/8 plus what?
1/8. It will be 7/8.
We add up 7. We don't add down. We take one number, 7/8. And we write the answer here. Do you understand, Yabni?
Yes.
Goodbye. This is question 2, guys, page 638. We did 1 with Ahmed and 2 with Muhannad. Copy, guys, copy the steps. Don't just write the final answer. No, don't do that. Copy the steps, please. Copy the steps. It's important. Now, we will stop here today, guys, in question 2. Tomorrow, we will do the next page, which is 639. Watch the video again, guys, and copy the examples and study them very well, okay? And tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue in the next page, which is page 639. Prepare it in your home. Tomorrow we'll do the exercises there together. Okay, guys? And if you don't understand how we add fractions like and unlike, please ask me tomorrow. Study, watch the videos again, and you can ask me tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye.
You too.